Oh, if you happen to catch any of my other YouTubes from my YouTube channel, and you might wonder, who am I and what is this all about? What am I doing here? Well, here's the who am I? And in fact, if you want any more information on the stuff I've put out, here's my email. Just email me. I'm not asking for any money or anything. I kind of do this stuff for fun, believe it or not. Comments or for more materials or whatever the heck, there's my email. My education, I don't know. Got 2 master's degrees. I don't have a doctorate, but I did teach this stuff. I also worked for 29 years in industry. Johns Hopkins Applied Physics Lab for 3 years, and then at McDonnell Douglas, which later got absorbed by Boeing. And I retired in 2008 as a Boeing technical fellow. I started teaching before I retired in 2006, first at SIUE Edwardsville. Then I later switched to Washington University in 2012 and was a full-time lecturer at WashU from 2014 through 2020. In all, well over 2,000 students. Here's the number of classes, a whole pretty many different courses, or at least differently named. I also had some advising duties, so I advised something like 50 students, most of them master's students in electrical engineering. Here's some of the key courses I taught, just kind of the key systems sequence. Math of it, signals and systems, control systems, and then random processes and common filtering. For what it's worth, you could look me up on Rate My Professors. I've had generally decent student evaluations, nothing to write home about, but I wasn't hated either. Some of them thought I was great, some of them thought I was the worst ever. So that's who I am. What I'm up to, I've taught as recently, I was at SIU, I had as adjunct in 2021, and I taught at WashU through summer of 2020, which includes the time of the COVID pandemic, where we moved to online and hybrid. So I got used to using Zoom and recording these sessions. So a lot of what I'm putting on YouTube now is pretty much the way I did things when I was doing things online as a regular professor. First thing I'm putting out there is pretty much a course at WashU was called Engineering Math B, and that's the first thing I'm putting on YouTube. It goes through series solutions of differential equations, cover the Fourier series, Fourier transform, partial differential equations, and especially some of the key or classic problems like vibrating string, heated rod, heated plate, vibrating membrane, that kind of stuff. That's NMath B. So that'll be the first thing I put out, because I did a completely online course of that in the summer of 2020. So I can do more stuff if anybody cares. So far, nobody's, I mean, I barely started this a few days ago. Anyway, we'll see how it goes. That's what I'm up to and where I am. I'm doing this for fun. I'm not trying to make money. I'm not going to ask you for money. I wouldn't know how to monetize it right now if I had to. Anyway, that's what this is all about.